Hi guys.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is NENYE'S, and here with me today is my kid brother.
Thank God. My name is Chimeze.
Yes, his name is Chimeze. He's my younger brother. So today's video is going to be a siblings tag for you guys to get to know us well, and yeah. So I know you guys must have been seeing him in you've seen him like one of my videos.
Just one. Just twice.
Okay, it's true. Yeah, it's true. Like he was the guy that danced on my dancing video, and so today we'll be doing another video together. So you guys are going to get to know us well. So you guys should sit back, relax as we get started.
Yeah.
Okay. Who is the oldest and the youngest?
I am the oldest. She's the youngest.
It's a lie. I am the oldest. I'm 3 years.
Hi.
Okay, I'm 3 years, 10 months, and okay, sorry.
It's a lie.
Wait a minute.
Just 2 years.
No.
Just 2 years.
I'm 3 years. I'm 1 month, 3 weeks older than him.
Stop making yourself look old now. You're just 2 years older than myself.
I'm 3 years, 1 month, 3 weeks older than him.
No problem.
Okay, so he's the youngest. Anyways, he's the youngest. Who wakes up early among the two of you? Describe the last thing you did with your sibling.
This video now.
Of course, it's this video. That's the last thing we're just doing right now. So it's this video, anyways. Okay, man, complete this statement. My sibling is
harsh. Really harsh.
I'm
mean. Anybody that knows I can tell you, you're mean.
Anyways, this one here, he's a stubborn type, and he's a very nice person as well, Sha.
Yeah, so you guys can tell now. No, I'm very nice. Giving you my time for this video. I'm very nice. I'm a very nice person.
What are you saying? Are you not my sibling? So if you can't do it for me, who is going to do it for me? Because this is a sibling tag anyway, so you're supposed to be sitting down here with me. Okay?
Okay now.
Okay.
Chinenye, don't worry. Describe your relationship in one word.
Our relationship.
Yeah.
Our relationship.
Yeah.
Not that peaceful.
Yes.
Yeah, not that peaceful because both of us, we are cat and rat, but we are just so. Okay, let me just say we are cat and rat. But if we stay for like just 2 days without calling or speaking or talking or even seeing each other, that's it. We keep on calling.
It's normal.
But it's normal anyways.
It's normal. we normally fight. We disagree. We argue on issues, but we're good.
Yeah, we're good. Yeah, we're good. So who is more annoying and who is more protective?
She's more annoying.
And at the same time, I'm protective.
Yes, she is.
I'm protective of him. Like I'm protective, like I'm 1000% protective of him.
Yeah,
although he said I'm annoying.
Very annoying.
No, I'm not annoying. Just that, see, I'm not annoying. I'm not annoying, but I'm a principled person. And I'm a very private person at the same time.
It's a lie.
So,
it's a lie. She's just very, very annoying.
I'm
that
not.
word annoying.
I'm not. I'm just a principled person. That is it.
Chine,
yeah.
Describe me in 3 words. Just describe me in 3 words.
I thought we've answered that before.
Describe me.
Okay. He's loving. Peaceful. This turkey tolo tola. Someone brought turkey for us, tolo tolo, and this is just since. I tried him also up and down. Sorry, I made this video. Okay, he said I should describe him in 3 words.
Yes.
He's loving.
Yes.
Funny.
Yes.
And he's kind.
Yes. So.
He's kind. He's a very kind person. And.
Good girl.
Who is the pickiest person? I think that answer should be me because I'm a very picky person. I'm picky with everything. When it comes to food, I'm very, very picky. Like, I even with people like my friends. Literally everything. I'm very, very picky. I'm a very picky person.
Now, who is the most talented among both of us?
I wouldn't say But I think we have our own niche. Let me just put it like that. I'm talented, he's talented. But because we're not doing the same thing. So like you are good in your own aspect, whereas I'm good in my own aspect. So we are both talented. In this kind of situation, there's no need for comparison because we don't do the same thing. He's talented, I am talented.
Who is most likely to yell in public?
Hey! That's him.
He's a liar.
No, that's him. That's him.
Oh God,
because you can never catch, like, I'm not the talking type. Oh, I'm not the talking type. Like, I find this so difficult to talk.
You guys can just tell.
No, I'm not the talking. No, it's just saying.
On the videos, guys can tell.
No, apart from the videos. No, apart from the videos. Like, I'm not just the talking type. So I can't yell at someone in the public. I can't even do that. The only thing I could do is maybe when you annoy me or when you yell at me, I will just keep quiet. I can give you silent treatment, but I can't come out in the public and start yelling at someone. I can't even do that for any reason. No, it's not. That is so not me.
Okay, now, who is most likely to move to another country?
That should be, obviously me.
Why?
Because I'm tired of Nigeria. I feel that my destiny is not here in Nigeria. Let me just say, I feel my destiny is not here in Nigeria. So
we die in Nigeria or we die here. What
is the most annoying and the most beautiful things you guys like we've done for each other?
I swear to God, making this video, that's in fact the most annoying thing I've done for her, because I'm not just comfortable with the video, but I'm doing it for her. So that's it.
What is the most beautiful thing, Uncle? You can just hear what he whispered. You could just say something else. Hey, okay. So what's the most beautiful thing?
I don't know, seriously, I don't know.
So you've not done anything beautiful for me,
Wait, I've been doing a lot of things now. Come on, I don't take note of all those things. Now, so...
Okay, you've been doing a lot of things. Anyways, the most annoying thing, like, is that he's a very stubborn person. Like, he pisses me off whenever he becomes stubborn. Like, it's very, very annoying to me. Then the most beautiful thing I've ever done for him was taking good care of him. Yes, that's the most beautiful thing. Like, each time I remember, like, he's my kid brother. I have to do it for him just for the sake of that. I feel so happy doing things for him. Yeah, it's the most beautiful thing I've ever done for him. Like, doing things, taking care of him. Yeah. Okay, what would you change about our childhood?
Nothing. For me, my childhood is just so lovely.
Not our own childhood, not yours only.
No, that is not for me. Not, come on. We are just two different people. We have different point of view. So me, I'm okay with man. I don't know for her. Yeah, now.
I don't think we have anything to change because there's nothing to change anyways. Yeah, there's nothing to change. Yeah, there's nothing because we grew up together.
Chineye, now answer this question. Who is most immature?
What's that supposed to mean? What's that supposed to mean? What question is who is so immature? You are the one now, obviously. What's that? Because you
always lie.
Wait. You guys shouldn't leave that question. Who is so... Respect yourself. Because another question. Who is most likely to cry all the time?
You are the one.
Yes,
you cry every day.
I cry, I cry every single time. Like, I'm so sensitive about life. Like, I'm so sensitive about everything.
Yeah, I don't care. I don't care. I don't really care.
Yes, I'm a very emotional person. I cry, like, a little things make me cry. That is it. So I'm most I'm sensitive.
Things don't get to me easily. I don't cry.
Because I don't know, but to me,
I don't cry.
I don't know, but the kind of heart I have when I see people, I feel for them, and that makes me cry.
Not
when I see people,
that.
I'm just an emotional person all around. Like, I'm just an emotional person all around.
She likes crying.
It's not that I like crying. She is just
you like crying. Just as myself, things don't get to me easily. I don't even remember the last time I cried. So things don't get to me easily.
Me? Which of us reads more? Like reading. Who reads more?
Reading. Me, myself. Myself. Come on.
Anyway,
let's go back to the room and check now. I love reading. She doesn't. I don't even know the last time she read.
Which means don't even know me too well. That is it. Because I'm this kind of person that likes to read when it comes to academics. Personally, I love to read. Like
no, reading when it comes to academics is not reading.
Okay,
Reading is when
general...
it's when it's a part of you. You love reading. You love knowledge.
Okay, let me just say we are just 50-50.
No, we cannot be 50-50. I love reading. You don't even like reading.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Who do you think is the funniest?
Myself now. Myself. I am the funniest, though. I am the funniest. Like just me. Not this one here.
You can take the credit, but I doubt that.
Aye, for real. We know ourselves. We know the truth.
I know.
There's no need for us to come and start lying over these things. See, we know. You and I know. Anybody that knows that is watching this video already knows the truth. So, you know.
Okay. Who is more athletic?
Let
me see what you answer. Oh, can't you see? Yeah, that's me. That's me. I love sports. I love to play around. Like I love sports, so I'm more athletic than him. This one, yeah, you're telling a biko, and even if you're not that biko, you beg and beg and beg. Still, he doesn't even know how to play football. Serious?
Come on, shut up, my friend. I know how to play football, Jare.
No, I don't think so because when we were small, because he used to play all this in-house football, but I don't think he never played for one. So
I know how to play football, I beg.
Which one of us loves to take more selfies?
You.
Which means you don't even know me. Jesus, I'm so disappointed right now. Whose room is in a mess while growing up?
My room.
My room. Yeah, he's a very scattered person while we're growing up. And up till now, he's still that scattered. Like, he's still scattered anyways. But I think growth will change him. Who is closest to parents?
I am.
Both of us. There's no...
I am.
Both of us. We are just close to our parents. So, nobody. This one is just an equal something. Who is the most hot?
Fine boy. See this talk you.
Now, to look like just, I want to hear this problem here and no. Like, chasing it away from here. I mean, because
I continue.
So, who is the most hot?
I am.
I don't think so. We are just hot.
I am.
No. We are just hot on our own. Like,
Chine, come on, stop making it look equal. So stop making
I'm not
this
making
whole
it
stuff.
equal.
You're just making us look equal. Chine, I am finer than you. I am hotter.
We are not saying about who is more finer. Like people just say that you are more handsome or more this one. But I'm good. Okay?
For your mind.
Yes, I'm good. So, in terms of being hot, everybody's hot on their own, depending on how you dress for the day or how you dress for the occasion. So that's how I say it. One thing you can do which your siblings can't.
Okay, this is one thing I can do that Chine cannot do.
Okay, what is it?
I know how to handle pressure. I can control situations. This young lady here, she can't. She can't.
Why are you exposing me?
No, I'm just telling you. Come on, we are just be honest now. So this is one thing I know I can do that Chine cannot do. I know I can control any situation. Whatever it is that comes up now, I know how to handle it without much pressure. Chine cannot handle pressure. You cannot do that.
I can't even handle pressure.
Yeah.
I hear. When you have problem, you come to me. For me to handle, you see?
Imagine, look at yourself. You look at yourself. You're not feeling yourself. Calm down. I'm just sharing some issues. But the truth, even in this house, she cannot. Anybody that knows the both of us know that she doesn't know how to handle things. When it's hot, your father. When it's hot, when it's hot, she will just start crying and complain and stuff.
That part. Of course, I'm going to remove that part. Okay, who is most likely to have a kid before marriage? Yeah, of course. Yeah, somehow from his actions, yeah. I'm not doubting it even. I'm not like in my next word. I'm not even ready to doubt it. I'm not going to doubt that.
I am a straightforward human being.
He's not being straightforward, but I'm just saying,
I'm a straightforward human being.
He just said his own part, but to me, like he's just that's him. He's more likely to do that. Hey, not swallow also. Okay, this one is like most likely stuff. Who is most likely to spend all their money on clothes? On buying like everything, like materials, bags. It's not like, see, I love good things. I love to have good, affordable, not, maybe in the nearest future, I might start buying luxury stuff, but right now, I buy affordable stuff, yeah. But I love to buy clothes, handbag. I like to look good. I like to look good, yeah. I like to look good. So I'm most likely to spend money on that. Although he spends, but
not on what? Not on clothes now.
Not on clothes. Okay, teach me.
I know how to invest. I spend money on investment.
No, you see, I don't know how to invest.
I know how to invest.
No, you're not saying about spending on clothes.
No, I'm spending money wisely.
No, Chine is not spending money wisely. Don't mind.
This young lady.
I used to. He can attest. This one, like I'm his backbone.
You hold my money for me now.
I am his backbone. So, all right. Who is most likely to give best advice?
Myself.
Because Chimezi, stop praising yourself.
Calm.
It's not. I'm not talking about being calm. Chimezi, see,
I am the person. Anybody that knows us, see, let me just talk about the family now. Family members, other family members, they know. They best all advice. Know the truth.
Best advice.
I'm the one that is likely to give the best. I'm telling you, I'm not feeling myself. I'm telling you the truth.
No, I don't even want to believe that because I know it's not you. It's me. When it comes to both of us, it's me.
She's too bossy.
Boss lady.
She's too bossy. She always wants you to do that thing that she wants. Come on, it doesn't work like that now. So that's where we argue. That's where we fight. That's whenever she wants to do something or she wants me to do those things that she wants. Not even the way I want you to.
You know, sometimes in life there's some things. Okay, it's fine. No. There's sometimes in life there's some things you might be doing. I wouldn't like the way you are doing it. I would like it to be done this way. Because if you ask me for a favor and you want me to do it your own way, I will do it.
No, but wait.
Because I will do it.
I will not pussy.
No.
I
will not pussy.
Let me tell you.
That it's not going to stop. But anyways, let me just between the both of us, I give the best advice because oh, okay. You guys, maybe one of these days you will get to see us more. Okay, I like this question so much because I know this one is pointing directly to him. I know he's pointing directly to him. So this question just goes to him right now. Okay, the question goes like this. Okay, who is most likely to pretend to be sick to avoid school or work? Who?
Okay, myself now.
He's the one. She means I can pretend when we were small, like even when he was in school, she means I can pretend not to go back to school. Hey, she means, oh my goodness, I'm just laughing right now because I could remember some years back he was supposed to go back to school. You know what this guy did?
When everybody now went out, I brought out of my bicycle and started riding it.
Which kind of riding bicycle? He went and said, oh, okay, I'm going to see. Okay, my school is not far. It's like 1 hour, 30 minutes drive, no problem. We will go by 3. That 3 o'clock, this boy disappeared. Nobody saw him till evening around 6. So he's the one. Can you people see something at that back? That Toloto is just seeing younger. Are you both easygoing person?
I am.
Both of us here we are because
no, not we.
Because yes, because whenever we are in a place, we lighten up the whole place. Yes, we are here. We are very easygoing.
I don't even know what to say again. She won't even want to let me talk.
No, we are very easygoing.
I am, but she is not.
She is why he's trying to sabotage me. So I think we are both an easygoing people. Yeah. Who has more friends and why? For me personally, I have close friends. Like I don't have so many friends, but I don't know. I don't have so many friends. I don't. And Tim is what of you?
I don't have friends, so I just have few.
You know, we don't even have damn friends like that. I don't have friends like that. We are just on the quiet side. We are just on the quiet side. We just have few friends that comes around. We visit them as well. So we just have few friends. What is the nickname our family calls us?
I don't know.
You usually don't know. I used to call him Meh. What is even Meh? No. When we were small, my mom used to call him Meh. People call him Meh, but me, I used to call him Meh. Like whenever he calls me, I said, Meh, what is it? I don't even know. But what is Meh self? Then, when I was growing up, only people that knows me from childhood, like if you really know me from childhood, whenever you hear that name.
No.
Yes. They call me No. I don't even know what is No. So only people that knows me from childhood knows that name. So anybody that knows me from childhood knows that name. I don't come to think of it. What is it? No.
When we were growing up, when we were younger, this young lady here, she can give trouble, she can cry. Over little things, she just cry and start beating herself on the ground. So she was being a pest to virtually everyone. So we're not calling her no.
See, these people, they used to do me wrong because I'm a very emotional person. I've been saying it right from when I was small. Like things get at me. See, because I hate seeing where people are suffering and all those things. So I'm more of like, I do cry, yeah. So maybe that's the reason why they call me no. I don't know, but people that knows me from childhood call me no. Okay, I know he's happy now because he has been wanting me to stop to end this video for a very long time.
I'm telling you.
He has been wanting me to end this video. So this is officially the end of this video. And if you really enjoy watching this video, this is our sibling tag. Please leave some comments in the comment section and also do subscribe. Yeah, do subscribe. And also if you're not subscribed to this wonderful channel and you've been watching my videos, please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.